personally, I've got a lot of feedback for Samjhava with Alia.
Yeah.
People, I don't know, for some reason or the fans have been loving it. What is it about this entire about Samjhava? Because that song has become, and you're doing another film with them, the sequel to.
I'm doing with Shashank, with Karan Johar, and the music of Badrinath is really good. Yeah, I'm really happy. Karan has a great taste of music, and Karan and Shashank are really working hard at making sure that we get the best possible music next year in that album. We've got one more emotional song in that film, a love song, a love theme, which fingers crossed will during Holi next year. Holi next year, so fingers crossed about Badrinath. It's Badrinath Ki Dulhania is a film that is a long time in the making, because the subject of Badrinath is something that me and Shashank discussed a lot during making Humpty. And it's a film that has a message which is, I think, very important for our country, and not only as an actor but as the citizen of India, I want that message to come out, you know. It's a role which is very, very entertaining. I have an accent in the film, and it's not me. I can just tell you, Badrinath is not Varun Dhawan from like anywhere.
What else apart from Badrinath and Johar?
There are a couple of things. It's too soon to talk, but there are a couple of things. I don't want to reveal much, because I think that the producers should do, or the directors should do. But there's so many filmmakers that I want to work with.
Sajid Bhai doing something once again? Sajid Bhai?
Judwa 2 is Sajid Sir's.
Anything else apart? Some report that you're doing maybe something else
with Sajid Sir? No. As of now, it's just Judwa 2. He's in Chicago actually today. He is in Chicago today. As of now, it's just Judwa 2. There are a couple of exciting things. There's something which Sriram and me keep jamming. We keep talking. So when...
You know, a lot of people are talking about Badlapur. We were speaking, I think, yes.
Shocked. How many people talk about it here? You know?
In fact, even yesterday someone was talking about it, that he should keep on doing those experiments, because that will just take him further as an actor. Last question, you're also performing with Katrina Kaif. She is one of the finest performers that we've had as far as stage show performer, and she's had some finest songs. How's that?
She is what she is because of how hard she works. That lady is something else. I mean, her dedication is tremendous. She's the hardest worker in this team, for sure, by far. She rehearses, she's on mark, whether it's her diet, her hard work. She's in the gym before any of us boys, and she's tremendous, you know. She's, I mean, that's one song whenever I go in for, I'm always like pumped, because I know I'm dancing with Katrina Kaif, so I know I can't like just go through with energy, because I know that she has the same energy and she's got that same finesse in her steps, because she loves street hip hop like I do and stuff like that. And we want to do something bigger, so probably when the Dream Team travels to different countries, which we hope it will, me and she will probably have a longer duet where it'll be like a competition or something. We want to do something.
One more last question. I asked Pariniti yesterday as well. People think that it's all fun and games, it's all entertainment. But the amount of hard work that has gone into what you guys are doing in terms of the traveling involved, the time zones shift, and then at times lack of rehearsals, and then putting up like a 3 hours show, and then traveling once again. I would like to say something about that. How like people at times treat entertainment industry in a frivolous manner, but they should understand that there's a lot of work that goes into it.
There's a lot of work that...
the people will start judging you.
You know, I think more than me, I think hats off to... I was just looking if Puneet or Bini were there, because we should speak to them, but Puneet, Bini, the entire choreography team, the dancers, yeah, it's so difficult for them. So I don't want to say anything that is difficult for me or difficult for the other actors. What these guys go through, we go through 50% of that. Let me tell you that much, because they are underslept, they've not eaten, they don't even get paid. They don't even get paid half of what we get paid. But yet they're there, and I mean, that's why I did a film like ABCD too, and you know, it's tremendous. I see them, and then the energy just comes back. I see them, I see the audience, and I mean, because I've done a film like that, so they all call me Suru. Before we go, they're like, Suru, chal, Suru. So that's my like dance name or whatever you want to call it. But it's tremendous how hard those boys and girls work. And I'm proud of them, you know, that we have so much talent in our country that our background dancers are better than any of the dancers in the world, I feel.
Fantastic. So thank you very much, Varun, for your time. And I must tell you that a lot of people have told us in USA that Varun is one guy who's always, in fact, he's very humble and he's always kabhi bhi agar aap jaएं तो he never मतलब starry tantrums बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. He's very very approachable. A lot of people have told me that from within our team as well, who didn't know you much, and even apart from that. So congratulations and I hope that you maintain that. That's very important. Thanks a lot.